It's really easy to transfer and store your DogeCoin in your own hardware cold storage, and here's how in a couple of easy steps. Firstly, go into the relevant application. So in my case, I'm using a Trezor, so I'm going to go into my Trezor suite. This process is the same for a Ledger. So if you're using a Ledger Nano device, go into your Ledger Live. And similarly, if you're using a Tangem wallet, go into your Tangem app. Now, if you haven't already added the account in your relevant application, make sure that you add the DogeCoin account. I've done that already. When you do add the DogeCoin account, click on that. Next, you're going to want to generate a receiving address, So let's do that. Let's generate a fresh receiving address for your DogeCoin. Your Ledger or Trezor will probably ask you to confirm the address matches what you see on the screen. So once you're happy with that, confirm. Okay, all good. Copy. Now here's where you go back into your exchange. I'm using Coinbase. Click on Send Crypto. This will work with any exchange, by the way. And paste the address that you just copied. And now you want to be able to enter the amount of DogeCoin that you want to send. Do a small transaction first if it's your first time and you want to test that it's working, and send it. It's asking me for my two-factor authentication. Okay. Now if I go back into my software, I should, in a matter of a minute or two, see the DogeCoin successfully received in my own self-custody, and there it is. That was super duper fast. So that's how easy it is. Take your own self-custody of your DogeCoin into your hardware wallet. If you've got any questions, ask me in the comments. Give this a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.